make some spring candles. As you can probably tell by the title of this video, today we are making spring candles. This is my first batch of spring candles. I'm really excited. I have 4 cents. And yeah, I'm really excited, and let's get started because there's quite a few candles I need to make. I would like to point out that I got a second Presto pot, so hopefully it will not take me as long as it usually does. And yeah, I'm just really excited about that. Oh, and for those of you who don't know me, hi, my name is Jordan. I am the founder and creator of Chill Babe Candle Co. And welcome to the channel. If you're not new here, welcome back. Okay, now this time, let's get into making them. Wick. These are the wrong wicks. I have too much stuff. I know where to put it. That's not it either. Where are my wicks? Aw. Oh, I found one. This is why you have to put things back, because then you forget about them and where you put them. Story of my life. I'm just gonna speed this part up because this is quite boring. I know I should be, prepping all of my jars at the same time, but I've been making candles for 2 weeks straight and I'm tired. So this is just how I'm gonna do it for now. I'm just gonna make them in batches, and yeah, plus also I don't know how quickly I'll get things done with the 2. I know it'll hopefully be half the time, but I also still need to let the wax melt when I refill them, so that gives me time to do other things, because otherwise if I just sit and breathe, I'm not going to want to get up and finish the job. So I have to do it this way to keep myself and my brain busy. So if you do it differently, then that's cool too. And I say that because when I posted the videos of me prepping for my launch, one of the comments said something about me just being really chaotic. And you know what? Sometimes being chaotic works. It doesn't work for everyone, but it definitely works for some of us. And one of those people is me. So while it may be chaotic to you, to me it makes perfect sense. I heat the bottom of the jars because I feel like the wicks stick better. It's just the way that I do it. So the way I generally do things is if I'm making more than one size at one time, so today I'm making 8 ounce, 6 ounce, and my little mini tins. Instead of doing them by size, doing all the 8 ounce and then all the 6 ounce, I do them by scent because, I don't know, it's just the way my brain works, I guess. Do you do it the other way? If you do, let me know, because I'm interested in to know, I don't know. I'm really tired, you guys. I'm really tired. Got this cool new little wick thing. I think I showed you in another video. I don't know, to me it kind of looks like a little suppository thing, but I'm not really sure which way to use it, so I use it this way. If that's wrong, then I don't want to be right. Definitely takes some getting used to, because I used to just like use my hands to put it in there, but then I'd have to use something to push this bottom part of the wick down to make sure it was like really secure. But this makes it a hell of a lot easier. It's just a little bit of a learning curve, but eventually you kind of like just get used to using it. Also, I want to know how many of you who also make candles, do you pour in your wax before or after you put your wick clips on? Because I do it, like I obviously put the clips on first and then try to like pour into the hole, but sometimes I miss. So I'm wondering if it's easier to do it the other way. I just generally don't like to touch the jars once they have wax in them because I know I'm going to spill it somehow. And the jars get hot, so like I want to burn myself, you know? Now, for my mini tins, I like to put them on trays like this. I find it easier for me because like these are made out of metal, so once you have hot wax in it, they get really, really hot. So I put them on cookie sheets and I fill them while they're on the cookie sheet, and then that way I can immediately move them to a table that I have back that way, so they can cool. Because otherwise, having to move them when like all of this section here is really hot, it's not fun. So I like to do it this way. Okay, so as you can hear, I have the hiccups, which is not fun. Oh gosh. So I'm just gonna be quiet until they're gone. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, wish me luck because pouring with the hiccups is quite difficult. Whew. Oh gosh, okay. Oh god. One thing that I find a little, I'm not gonna say annoying, it's just not very convenient, is about these mini tins is that when I make 10, I actually have to do the math as if I'm making 11 because you can hear a washing machine. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. Because for some reason, when I do the math for 10, it only makes 9. And I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I've asked other people to see if the math was right, and the math was right, but it only makes 9, not 10. So when I do anything 10 and above, I have to add 1 more, which is quite annoying, but it is what it is. Cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna move these over here. And I get these ready. Oh my god. In case anyone's wondering, I'm drinking LaCroix hibiscus. It's delicious. It's not for everyone, I don't think. A lot of people think it's disgusting, but I think it's delicious. their breath while they're pouring, or is it just me? For the 8 ounces, I need 2.75 ounces of oil. So I went over a little bit, but I want to show you something. So I use these little beakers. And I love them because they have like this little spout. So then when I over pour the oil, I can just pour it back in without spilling any. Yeah, it's way over temperature, so I'm gonna let that cool. Yeah, fun times, fun times. Okay, so in typical me fashion, as I was waiting for this wax to cool down, I made a TikTok and a YouTube short, and I forgot about the wax. So it cooled down quite a bit, so now I'm rushing to get it mixed up and poured. Yeah, oopsies. And that is Flower Garden done. Okay, so I feel like I'm gonna need to use all of these anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and wick them in this and just do it all at once. I just find that easier. Okay, hey, hi, hello. I just went ahead and wicked everything because you saw me do it once, you know, it's not that interesting. So yeah, we're gonna work on the second fragrance, which second fragrance in my line that we're making now is called Oh Honey. And that's like a honeysuckle jasmine type of blend. And yeah, we're gonna make that one now because the first one we did was Flower Garden. Having my voice. First one we did was Flower Garden. This one is Oh Honey, and yeah, let's just do it. Okay, I think this is a good spot. You can see me over here, and you can see me over here. So, okay, cool. So, if you like my little contraption, I use boxes to stack things. This smells so good. Flower Garden is more of like an intense flower smell. It's peony and magnolia and, you know, like stronger flower scents. But Oh Honey is very soft and like pretty, you know? I love it. Let's pour. My hiccups are gone, so this is gonna make it easier, hopefully. I just jinxed myself, I know it. I thought about getting one of those piston funnels. If you use one, let me know how you like it. I just feel like I'd spill less. Looks nice. So now we're gonna work on scent number 3. Yes, 3. This one is tomato leaf, and it smells like, well, a tomato leaf, and it smells really good. Okay, last scent is my raindrop candle, and this one smells like rain, obviously, but it also kind of has like a hint of dirt. Like it smells exactly like the outdoors does after it rains. It's amazing. I'm obsessed. It smells so fresh. You know, it's like rain, earth,